In this video, I'll be showing you how to emote up ramps in Evade. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So it's basically harder than a sliding on like flat ground because gravity and friction work against you. So to do this, you have to transition from a standard emote slide into an emote trimp. And what you're going to have to go ahead and do is you can't start an emote at the bottom of a ramp and expect to go up. You have to have maximum speed before you even go ahead and hit the incline. So what you're going to do is use moving emotes only. So bold, march, or gritty are essential because they have the strongest forward physics in the current meta. So if you're on PC, B-hop towards the ramp. Just before the ramp, start your emote slide. So flick 180 degrees, then press G and S and control. And as your character hits the slope, rapidly scroll wheel your mouse to jump. And then the constant jumping will emote steps you towards the ramp physics, preventing you from losing speed. And if you're on like mobile or iPad, sprint and jump towards the base of the ramp. And then mid-air, trigger your moving emote and flick your camera to the face of the direction you want to go. As you hit the ramp, spam the jump button while holding the slide button. And if you feel yourself slowing down, wiggle the joystick slightly to reset your friction. And if you're on a controller, so on console, you gotta sprint and B-hop towards the ramp and then use a D-pad to trigger a moving emote right before contact. So that's gonna be up on your D-pad. And then rapidly tap your jump button while holding the crouch trigger. Try and hit the ramp at a slightly diagonal angle, like 30 to 45 degrees, because for some reason hitting ramps crooked in Evade allows you to maintain speed better than going straight up it. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting over on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you don't know about yet.